Hello again, or hello everybody. Today we're going to do a little landscape with the lighthouse. Throw the stencil down on there and just a little bit of black. That's what color I'm using with the stencil. Now I'm going to know where the water line is and the sky. So for this one, I'm just going to do a light blue sky. We're going to do, actually I'm going to make a sun also. And just use this paint lid. I have it peeking out of the water there. Just going to mist a little bit of blue around that. I know where that's going. And take this glow in the dark. Make the sun out of the glow in the dark. So where that circle was, I'm just going to paint down the glow in the dark paint. Now we're going to have to let that completely dry before we stick this on, otherwise the paint's going to stick to the rim of that. It's going to have this white circle around your sun, so we don't want that. So we're going to let it dry for like 20 minutes. We'll be back. Jeez, my feet are frozen right now. It's all dry. And put that cap back on. Just going to put a nut on there for a little weight. Weight it down so don't bump it all over the place. I'm just going to go with the light blue sky. This can allows me to do a light blue sky. Get towards the end of this one. Alright. Got the light blue down for the sky. Now we're going to go in and make some clouds. Just take white spray paint. I got this piece of poster board that's torn up. That cloud shape. Missed a little spot of blue up top there. Take my knife and scrape off this dried off paint on the nozzle on the white can. Try to prevent some dripping. So now I'm just going to place this in random spots and just spray a little white down. You see how that makes some cloud shapes? Actually going to remove that. Have to work around the sun. Just go a couple light ones right over the top of it. Alright, we'll go with that. Now I'm going to take several different colors of blue. A little bit of white. Got a few different options of blue. I'm going to shake up some of these cans. Just sitting there. Alright. I'm going to take this little straight edge paint edger scraper doohickey thingy. I never know what it's called, so I just make up names for it. Works for what I need it for, so that's all that matters to me. Put that down. Right about there. I'm going to take the white, spray right under where the sun is. Light blue on either side of the white. darker blue. Just keep going darker. A lot of that is going to get covered up by stencil, so we're not going to go crazy over there. We're just going to take and swipe back and forth, kind of get a little bit of a wave look to the water. Alright. Should be alright. Now we're just going to have to let that dry before we throw it on the stencil and finish this guy off. So we'll be back in about 20 minutes. Alright, we are back in action. Everything is dry to the touch. The stencil should not stick to that at all. So we'll throw the stencil down to the Lighthouse. Got the shoreline there. Just going to throw a few of these nuts down here to weight the stencil down so the air cell doesn't mist underneath the stencil and give it that spray paint look. I kind of want the nice crisp clean lines on this, so just throw a few weights down on it. Should be good enough. We're going to take our black, fill in that spot. Pull everything back and we'll reveal the final look. Gotta add a couple of lines to connect the roof to the base of the lighthouse, but there we go. This little landscape. I'm just going to take black paint marker. I failed in that corner a little bit. Add the lines to connect the roof to the base of the lighthouse. Just do 3 little lines here. We can draw a straight line. Wow. A little touch-up spot there. Bump that with my sleeve a little too. Get that going. Alright, we'll clear coat this one. Just a gloss clear coat. Gives a nice shine. Protects everything. Hope these beginner tutorials are helping you guys out. They're quick little easy landscape paintings that anyone can really do at home. All this is a piece of poster board that I cut in quarters. So all in all for this painting I used a half a piece of poster board. 1/4 for the stencil, 1/4 for the canvas, I guess we'll call it, for the painting. There you guys have it. There's another simple, easy little landscape. A little glow-in-the-dark sun there. It's hard to see on camera. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you next week.